98, 99, 100. Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a DIY landmine attachment. And it's going to be very simple. You're not going to need any special equipment. All you're going to need is a barbell, a couple of weight plates, and then a barbell clip or a barbell collar. And then you're going to be attaching that to something that's cylindrical around your gym. Now in my case here, I have it wrapped around a dip bar, a handle of a dip bar. And all you're really doing is you're sandwiching whatever that cylindrical object is with the weight plates and then locking it in place with the barbell spring clip or the barbell collars. That's all there's to it. It's very simple. So I'm going to show you different parts of the gym here where you can attach it so that you can recreate this at home. So here's the setup for the dip bar. I have the barbell here, I have a weight plate, and the cylinder, which would be the handle in this case, and I have the other weight plate, and then I have the clip here in the back holding it in place. So whenever I lift this up, you're going to see it pivot. You'll see it pivot around the cylindrical object, and that's all there's to it. Very simple for the dip setup. So here's the setup on a weight plate tree. We do the same thing. I have a few plates here. Then we have the actual peg for the weights here. Another plate to sandwich the peg in between, and then we lock it in place with the pin here. And again, we do the same type of motion, going up and down, pivoting on that cylindrical object. So that's the setup for the weight plate tree. Here's what the setup looks like with a barbell to barbell connection. You have the weight plate sandwiching the barbell on the rack with the barbell clip right behind it, and then you have your pivot point. So there you have it guys. Now you know how to create a DIY landmine attachment. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and for more DIY projects, any gym hacks and reviews, make sure you head over to my website, shreddeddad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.